Welcome back, guys, to another episode. Sorry I haven't posted up. Been absolutely pouring rain. Absolutely pouring rain. That's all. That's waterlogged down here. Not much I could have done about it. Birds have got saturated. Yes, I know it's not healthy for the birds, but we had over 130 mil of rain, so probably just over 5.5 inches of rain in 3 days. Some places had up over 800 mils. I'm glad we didn't get 800 mils, but yeah, is what it is. I'll flip the camera around and we'll go around and have a look at it, all the pairs, and have a look at the young birds. They I've got them on some baycocks at the moment, just for coxie. See how they go. So I've got two little fellas in here. Sorry. Fly, piss off, fly. One of them actually couldn't get a ring on, he's too big already. Two nice little blues. Blues in here again. Come on. Two little hens, I think that's going to be. I think it's going to be two little hens. See how we go. They're actually for my mate. My two little blacks that were, well, my blacks that were on the bottom where I lost the hen. Got some different black ones in here at the moment. Give us a quick look. Where are they? Come on. There we are. Couple of little chickies. There was 4, but the dog's already got one, so we've only got 3 left. I just got them locked in here with where the pigeons are for now until they get bigger. Lock the stock cage up. So there's all the young birds. Got myself a fantail or dropper off my mate. A few young birds. There's one young bird I let out. I don't think he's come back in. Oh yeah, that's him there. Oh no, that's not him. There's a blue checker just like that. But he hasn't come back in, so hopefully he comes back in the morning. But yeah, they're on baycocks at the moment. I got a leak up here where the water was just dripping straight down into the loft. I tried to silicone it up, but the silicone didn't get enough time to dry in between the rain windows, so I'm going to get a new roof. I'll just put this sheet up there for now over that section. That's a 2400 sheet. So I'm going to get some more. I'm going to overhang it at the front, and hopefully it'll overhang at the back and angle it down, as at the moment the roof's flat. So we're going to angle it down. Sorry guys, I'm not sure, there's something under my lens in my case. There's one little fella up there. That's the one where the little fella come out that's missing at the moment. She's got 2 eggs again, hopefully for another mosaic or opal. Nothing in there, I need to take that nest bottle out. Two nice little blue bars down there. One's actually got white flights. This little checker follows from this hen. And that's his nest mate there. But there's the rest of them. Now these eggs in here, they should not be far off hatching. Come on, let me have a look. Let me have a look. Come on. These eggs should not be far off hatching. Probably in this end of this week, I reckon. Just trying to see. Yeah, they're fertile. It's dark, so it should be any day now. That's a hen I brought at the auction. She's a good little hen. She came home second day from 800 kilometres injured in the little blue bar in here. She flew pretty far, this hen. I'll have to check how far she flew. I think it might have been Charters Towers, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check. And then his full sister was my pop's only bird home from 730 kilometres this year. This pair keep running off the eggs. This is the yellow hen and the checker fella that was around the other side. I moved them over here because they're getting a bit wet over that other side, so I put them into here. And then another pair that keep going off their eggs. Have to fix that door up. Have a quick look in here. The two pairs in here, the grizzle and the blue bar. So that little one on the left there, she actually got out in here a bit earlier, so I need to put them out. I was just waiting for this rain to pass so I could put them out. As you know, that's a cock that I lost. A couple of nice grizzles in here. And one there. I might put one of these in the Breeders' Plate auction next weekend. Oh no, this weekend, sorry. See how they come up, see how they're going by the end of the week. But yeah, I might put one of them in the Breeders' Plate auction. Maybe with one other. Might put, no, I'm keeping both of them. I actually might keep this cockbird for stock since I've lost his father. And I'll race his brother and I'll race the little hen because I've still got the hen, so. But I might keep this fella for stock since I've lost his father. Also picked up a new stock loft. Just give you a quick look now. Full wire floor. I'm going to change it to probably just only like pretty much where that timber's coming across down there. Probably that far off the back will only be wire, and I'll change the rest to ply. Probably just have about 300 off the wall all the way around, and then I'll change the rest to ply. But yeah, it's not a bad little cage, a bad little stock loft. I'll just probably hold my hens in there, and then when it's breeding season I might just throw a couple of bowls in there and a couple of cocks, and they can mate up with whatever. But we'll see how we go. I've got a little landing board that goes on the front here that I can put on so they can come out and view out the front. As you can probably hear under my feet, that's how wet it is. The ground's just saturated, it's just soaked. But there's a nice little blue checker pied there. She's on eggs again. Two little fellas down there. That's our previous little fella, he needs to go out. That fella grumbling down there, I just put his baby over there. He was supposed to go to another fella, but he never turned up, so we can't just leave him in here, otherwise he'll be no good. But we'll see how it goes. I was pretty keen on this hen laying again, but she hasn't laid again. I might have to put them into a single box, this pair. See how we go. But, yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers.